In today's video, I want to show you guys the fastest way to get started with an affiliate marketing business and the simplest strategy to create one piece of content, have it out there on multiple channels for tons of people to see. What's going on, guys? I'm Josh Smith, aka the Dadtrepreneur, and welcome back to the channel where we help you create a lifestyle of wealth and freedom. And I'm so excited for today's video because one of the biggest questions I get from you guys, the audience, thank you so much. And for those of you that are brand new, if you're liking the content, go ahead and just smash that subscribe button so you never miss another video like this. But because of your questions and your engagement and your interaction, what I found is for brand new affiliate marketers, when they're first getting started, one of the things they struggle with is getting traffic, okay? They don't know what platform to post on. You know, TikTok is popular, IG is popular, YouTube's popular, okay? Here's what I can tell you about this. I heard Rachel Pedersen, she's an amazing marketer, social media creator. She said, what did she say? I heard her say the other day, she said, go to the platforms that are demanding attention. So essentially what she was saying is that you got to go, or that are fighting for attention, okay? So you need to find these platforms that are kind of competing with each other right now, okay? And what happened was with TikTok, there was this massive explosion of people coming onto the platform. For those of you that don't know, obviously they've taken over for the most watch time, most downloaded every single day, week over week, okay? It's the most downloaded app in the App Store. So you have all these other platforms like Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest that are all fighting for your attention, okay? So how do we capitalize off of this? We create a piece of content at the epicenter, is what I like to call it, on TikTok, okay? And then you are going to download that piece of content and you are going to repurpose it on other platforms. So we'll dive into that here in just a little bit. But for those of you that don't know what affiliate marketing is, all it is at the end of the day, affiliate marketing is you are promoting somebody else's products or services in exchange for a commission. It is a fantastic form of online business to get started, especially for complete beginners, because it eliminates the customer service, it eliminates the product creation, the market research of finding out what your customers need and spend months researching it and developing a product, okay? And you don't have to deal with the product fulfillment, again, the customer service, the sales calls. That's all done for you if you do it the right way, okay? So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and get started with that, you go ahead and I will link out in the description down below, a link out to that 15-day challenge, the same place where I learned all this stuff. It does cost $7, but you're going to learn the foundation of affiliate marketing, of running a business online. So if that's where you're at, I would highly suggest, cutting from this video right now, go get started with that challenge, learn more about affiliate marketing, or go check out one of my other videos about affiliate marketing, okay? This strategy is going to be more so, okay, I've got my business up and running, I have my funnel in place, I understand what affiliate marketing is, I've partnered with the right companies to make all of this work, and now I'm just looking for more traffic. So again, here's what you're gonna do. This is gonna be a very short video. You are going to go to Snaptick.app, okay? I will link that out in the description as well, Snaptick.app. So the strategy is you are going to create 2 to 3 pieces of content every single day on TikTok. Then you are going to download those on TikTok, okay? And unfortunately, I'm filming this on my phone, so I don't have another phone to show you, but on TikTok specifically, if you are watching a video, you click the 3 dots on the right side, the right side of the screen, there's 3 dots. It will give you an option to download anybody's video that you're watching if they have that feature on, okay? So you're gonna go to your own videos, you're going to download them, and then you are going to go to Snaptick.app. What that does, it removes the watermarks, okay? And then you are going to go to these 3 channels. If you do not have them already, you need to be on them, okay? You are going to go to Pinterest, you are going to go to Instagram, and you are going to go to YouTube, okay? And if you don't have accounts, you need to create them now, and you need to start repurposing all of your content there. Why? Because these companies, these social media platforms, they are fighting for your attention. They've seen what TikTok has done, and they have all now released their own version of vertical short form video, basically mimicking TikTok, okay? In all of these platforms right now, they want people to come back from TikTok to their platforms. So Instagram has a feature they call Reels, okay? It's called Instagram Reels, and it is that vertical video, and Instagram is pushing mainly only Reels right now to get new people to your page, okay? So if you're looking to grow quickly on Instagram, you need to be doing Reels, okay? So now you've posted on TikTok and you've repurposed that on Instagram. So you went from doing the work one time, now you've got it in two places, okay? You're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna take that same video, you're gonna take it over to Pinterest, okay? Which Pinterest, if you haven't seen my video on doing affiliate marketing on Pinterest, Pinterest is incredible right now. I'm trying to research it more and figure out why it's working so well for me, to share more of that later on. But anyway, I digress. You are gonna create what's called a idea pin or a pin idea, okay? Pinterest ideas, that is their version of the vertical short form content, okay? And again, you're just gonna put in a little description in there and you're gonna post it, and now you've taken your one piece of content that you created and it's out there in 3 places, okay? And right now, this is where I think the real gold mine is, okay? I'm seeing people who are going back to YouTube more and more right now, okay? And again, this is something I heard Rachel Pedersen say, and I think there's a lot of truth to it, okay? She's focusing her business mainly on YouTube in 2022, okay? I think there's something to be said about that. When a multiple 7-figure business person who's doing, you know, hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month, who her main job is helping people with social media, is saying, hey, I'm going back to YouTube, I'm focusing there. And it is because YouTube Shorts, okay? It sounds like YouTube is finally starting to release YouTube Shorts, okay? And what are starting to release that to everybody, okay? So it's going to be mainstream in 2022. So if you start creating now, you're gonna get ahead of that curve still, okay? And what happened was she actually gets on these special calls, okay, with, I don't know how to explain it, but like with YouTube insiders, okay? She's got that privilege because she's so well known. She's been invited to that program, okay? She gets on calls with YouTube insiders, and it sounds like what they said, okay? As long as you remove that watermark, YouTube is pushing Reels, or not Reels, they're Shorts, very, very hard, okay? YouTube is fighting harder than any of these other platforms, okay? So some of you, if you've experienced the growth on Reels over the past 6 months, because they were fighting really hard, okay? Now it's kind of common on Instagram, okay? What's happening on YouTube right now is they are pushing Shorts incredibly hard. So if you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, you know, get a few videos out there, you know, start with just Reels. But what's gonna happen is people are gonna come to your channel, because of your Reels, you're gonna grow your reach really, really quickly because of Reels. And there's a lot of people doing this right now, okay? And then you can create, you know, maybe one video like I'm doing right now a week, okay? And you're going to get traffic to it because your subscribers come in from Shorts, okay? Again, you want to be posting on these platforms that are fighting for attention. And right now, it is an all-out battle between these platforms. So you post one time, okay, you download that video, watermark free, and then you post it on 3 other platforms. And just like that, you've 4x'd the amount of content you're putting out there daily from doing one thing. You're creating one piece and you can put it out there in 4 different places. This is super, super powerful because when you're running an online business, okay, especially like me, if you've got limited time, limited resources, okay, I work a full-time job. I have an hour a day to create content. That is it, okay? I need to be able to repurpose that and do less, be able to accomplish more by doing less, okay? So the least amount of things I can do and still drive results, okay? That's what I'm looking for. And right now, please, if you don't post on any other place, okay, start with TikTok, but if you're gonna download them and you don't wanna take the time, the 10 minutes that it takes to go post it on these other 3 platforms, at least start doing it to YouTube Shorts, okay? Because YouTube is such a powerful channel, because once you start growing, you could start monetizing your channels in different ways that you cannot do on these other platforms, like ad revenue, people putting ads on your page, you're gonna get paid for that. You don't have to run ads, you don't have to learn it, okay? So understand, if you're gonna do anything, at least start posting on YouTube Shorts, but I highly recommend post on TikTok, repurpose it on Pinterest ideas, repurpose it on IG Reels, and repurpose it on YouTube Shorts, okay? So best of luck. I appreciate you guys. Again, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing or how to get started, I'll link that out in the description, and you can check out that video here. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, you'll understand. If you've seen my videos before, you probably hear the pig barking. That kind of happens, so that's how I know I'm at my time limit. And yes, I did say pig barking. They honk, but they also bark sometimes too. If they're around dogs, they mimic. Anyway, again, I digress. I'll catch you guys on the next video. I'm out.